Imagine a vast library filled with countless books, scrolls, and manuscripts. Each one holds valuable information. But the sheer volume is overwhelming. This is the challenge we face in the digital age. We are inundated with data, from emails and social media to scientific research and financial transactions. This data holds incredible potential, but without a way to manage it effectively, it becomes noise. This is where information management comes in. Like a skilled detective, information management professionals bring order to chaos. They develop systems and strategies to capture, store, organize, and analyze data. They are the guardians of this valuable resource, ensuring that it is accurate, accessible, and used responsibly. The digital age has ushered in an era of unprecedented data creation. Every click, every transaction, every sensor reading generates a piece of information. This constant flow of data can be overwhelming, but it also presents incredible opportunities. Just as astronomers use telescopes to study the cosmos, information management professionals use specialized tools and techniques to navigate the digital universe. They are the explorers of the information age, uncovering hidden patterns and insights that can drive innovation and progress. Information management is the art and science of handling data effectively. It encompasses the entire life cycle of information, from its creation to its eventual disposal. In today's data-driven world, effective information management is no longer a luxury, it's a necessity. Businesses rely on data to understand their customers, optimize operations, and make informed decisions. Governments use data to provide essential services, track economic trends, and ensure national security. Without proper information management, organizations risk drowning in a sea of data, unable to extract meaningful insights or make informed decisions. Imagine a company trying to launch a new product without understanding market trends or customer preferences, or a hospital unable to access patient records in a timely manner. These scenarios highlight the critical importance of effective information management in today's world. By implementing robust information management practices, organizations can unlock the true value of their data and gain a significant competitive advantage. They can improve decision-making, enhance customer experiences, and drive innovation. The information lifecycle is a continuous process that begins with the creation or capture of data and ends with its secure disposal. Understanding this lifecycle is crucial for effective information management. Let's break down the key stages. 1. Creation. Data is generated through various sources such as customer interactions, business transactions, or scientific experiments. 2. Storage. Once created, data needs to be stored securely and accessibly. This often involves using databases, cloud storage, or other data management systems. 3. Use. The primary purpose of data is to be used. This could involve analyzing customer behavior, tracking financial performance, or conducting scientific research. 4. Sharing. In many cases, data needs to be shared with internal stakeholders, external partners, or the public. Secure and controlled data sharing is essential. 5. Archiving. Data that is no longer actively used but may be needed for future reference is archived. This ensures that valuable historical information is preserved. 6. Destruction. When data is no longer needed, it must be disposed of securely to prevent unauthorized access or use. This is crucial for protecting sensitive information. Each stage of this life cycle presents unique challenges and opportunities. Effective information management requires a comprehensive approach that addresses each stage with appropriate policies, procedures, and technologies. Effective information management is not just about organizing data, it's about unlocking its potential to drive positive outcomes. Here are some key benefits. First, improved decision-making. By providing accurate, timely, and relevant information, effective information management empowers leaders to make informed decisions that drive business growth and success. Second, enhanced customer experience. Understanding customer data allows businesses to personalize interactions, anticipate needs, and provide a seamless and satisfying customer experience. Third, increased efficiency, streamlined data processes, and automated workflows can significantly improve operational efficiency, reducing manual effort and freeing up valuable time and resources. Fourth, reduced risk. Proper data governance and security protocols minimize the risk of data breaches, ensuring compliance with regulations and protecting sensitive information. In an increasingly data-driven world, effective information management is not just a competitive advantage, it's a necessity for survival. Organizations that invest in robust information management practices are better positioned to adapt to changing market conditions, mitigate risks, and thrive in the digital age.